Welcome. So I want to do a pre-weekly analysis and then show you all what I'm actually looking for the week. So we're going to be analyzing GBPUSD, BTCUSD, and I think I'll look for one more pair as we keep going. So this is GBPUSD, right? I'll go, this is my 4 hour as usual, come to my 4 hour and then look for some kind of structure which I want to be following or focusing on for my week. So I could decide to consider this structure, but I want to just trade just one pair, which is this GBPUSD for this week. So instead of that, I know if I pick this structure, getting trade opportunities for the week will be so less for me. So what I now want to do is that instead of taking this structure, what I will do is to look for smaller structures, because I believe from here, this is another Friday here, so this range is where I'll be looking to get positions for this coming week. So I would prefer to pick little structures like this. So I will now identify my structures. I can see this, and then price came down to break this level, which now I know that price is on a downtrend for my H4 time frame. So my H4 is bearish. So what I'll then look for next is my structure from my hourly time frame. This is my 1 hour time frame. This was the H4 breakup structure. That I'll be looking for next is for structure from this point to this point. I'll then mark out my structure. So we can see this very nice waves. It looks so alike. So then I'll mark out my trend line, which price reacted from on that was Friday, yes, on Friday reacted on this trend line and went back down. So this is my focus for Monday then. So since I've gotten this, what I know that okay, my 4 hour is bearish, my 1 hour is bearish. I don't need to go down to the 15 minutes to do any analysis, because this is just a pre-week analysis, and then I know anything could happen at the opening session for the week. So I don't need to do any analysis on 15 minutes. I'll just wait till my time for trading on Monday reaches, and then I'll check for what is going on in 15 minutes, so that I'll look for opportunity. So this is my own analysis for GBPUSD. Let's go to the next pair. So here on gold, what we're going to start is that we're going to go up to our 4 hours time frame and then look for what price is actually doing on that time frame. So on 4 hour, I can see so many structures to the upside, and then the recent one that I can see is this one here, which is a lot visible to my eye. I can see this, and then another one here, which, let me see if it took out this high. Yes, it did. So I can see a change of trend to the downside. Price is going down. Even if this wasn't too valid to consider a change of trend, I can see this very strong one that got invalidated, and also this one. So I can decide to mark this as my change of trend, and then what I'll do now is to go down to my 1 hour time frame. On my 1 hour time frame, I can see structures like this. I can see very nice structures. I can see this, which I'll consider for my 1 hour structure, and then this is my supply here. And what I'm expecting for price to do is to actually come back to this zone, and then I'll look for sell positions. So this buyers was one of the easiest to get for the week. So focusing on this structure for the week, I can actually see this structure is a very nice one to follow. So if price wants to come back maybe to this point, then sell is still okay. If you want to break, let's say switch back bullish, I'll be fine with that. I'll still buy in line with the trend. So anything that happens in the week, I'm open to it. Remember, we don't predict, we react. So I like this structure, and this is what I'll be focusing on for the week. So I'm just explaining how exactly I do my pre-weekly analysis. What I do is just that I get my structure, identify my structure, and then I'll just keep going with whatever price is going to do for the whole week. And then for another new week, I'll identify another structure based on the way I want to trade. If I want to get short trades, this is where I'll consider and look for the kind of trades I'm looking for. So going down now, last to BTCUSD. There's no need to make these videos too long. Let's go to BTC. Yes, this one is nice. Going on to my 4-hour time frame here. Okay, so because I know BTC really gives a lot of range before expanding, I don't want to identify bigger structures. I would like to focus on little structures so that I'll be able to get at least 3 to 4 trades for the week. What I'll now do is that instead of picking these structures that I'm seeing here, I can decide to come into this internal structure and look for what structure I would like to pick for my H4. So I can see a very nice structure here. Price came down, gave us this pullback, and then expanded to the downside. So now this is my supply for my H4. This is my supply for my H4. Then this is the expansion. Now on this expansion leg is where I'm going to look for my H1 structures. So you can see there's this trend line here. So going down to my H1, I can see this structure, this structure, this structure. So price is currently at this structure. It invalidated this supply very impulsively, which is still okay. And then we have some kind of supply level here. So the price could tap on it and give us a confirmation. We will look for sales, but no, I think that there's no but because I like the kind of price action prices coming back to this point. The only thing that could make price invalidate this supply is the impulse it had at this point. So it might be that what price is doing here is just slowing down to give another impulse. But what I'm expecting is that if price gets here, I'll look for sale. But if it breaks up, then it's fine. It means that for the new week, I know that for my 1 hour, I will then be bullish. Look for a 50% retracement, and then look for my levels, my area of interest to buy. Taking price to this my 4-hour zone, and then at this point I'll start looking for sales also. So that is my view for this week. This is a very clean one. We did not complicate this thing. It is very easy. If you're trading other strategies, I believe this is going to help you understand what structures to use for the week. So please, if you're just watching this video, you're just coming across my channel, please subscribe, give a like to this, and you can also share to friends also. And if you have your own conviction or your own contradict to this analysis, you can also drop in the comment section and let's see your own view also. And then if you're looking for a very great broker, I have a very nice broker which I recently switched to. I was using XNET previously, but I've switched to this, which is FP Markets. So I will be dropping the link to that broker in the description if you want to sign up with them. Their spreads are great, their withdrawals are instant, like they are very fast with their withdrawals. They also provide sent accounts, they have demo accounts. If you want to do your verification with them, it is very easy to do verification. You just need your ID, passports, and other stuffs like that. It is not complicated. So I hope you like this video. Catch you up in the next one.